941, there's 4 rolls of that Polaroid 600 in the sheriff's office.
Or do we still need to get some, Jeff?
No, I didn't know we had any. I couldn't find it. In that shelf there where the rest of the film is, Jess, on the south wall, just inside the door. And Mike, the
Linda is here. Linda is here in me.
Okay. This is a tornado warning.
Hey, what I'm watching is out there in
immediate area. South Pampa, east of Pampa, all the city of Pampa should be undercover. And it should be taken as present at this time.
I'm being right here. It all looks like the past salvage yard.
Tornadoes threatening the city of Pampa. Okay, I'm going to try it here. I'm going to hit it there. Okay, we got a large tornado. Okay, this going into the city of Pampa. Take cover at this time. We got a large tornado. It's coming out of racing right into the city of Pampa at this time. It appears it's on from my vantage point. And this is on for the cabin point. It appears that it is on the ground. A large tornado. It's racing down northward. Please take cover at this time. Mike, everyone at the studio should be undercover.
It appears to be on the ground. I see lots of debris. Looks like it's north of the
a tornado warning for Pampa. We have a large tornado.
Okay, it is on Price Road. I'm here at the Clarny. It is on Price Road on the ground.
Go ahead.
Okay, the one they're talking about, I am just a short ways away. It is definitely on the ground. Was moving north, and now looks like it's moving a little bit east at this time.
Okay, it's just right now at Craw Products, headed in towards Pampa. At Craw Products, just hit it.
And it's going to catch most of the debris, large debris flying in the air.
Under emergency broadcast conditions.
About a mile west, it's going to get bigger all the time.
Okay, it's here at Craw Products, right here at Price Road.
For Pampa. There's a large tornado.
Careful. We need to clear this intersection of people.
I don't know this, so I'm going to shut 60 down coming into Pampa.
Coming into Pampa is approaching Price now on 60. Man on the ground.
Hello. Hello. Yes. Guys in Silver Jim Downey's house. The tornado's right here at Craw Products. I'm right here with them, 100 yards from it, Debbie. Where you at? Get everybody inside because this is one big son of a bitch. Titus safe is in the cellar.
This thing has gotten larger and larger, debris all over the place, and it's definitely coming right into the southwest corner of the city.
Denver, we can't see it from the SL.
Okay, Shelly, it is a half a mile west of Price Road at this time. Half a mile west Price Road, directly behind Craw Products.
Denver, that one.
Oh, we've got a lot of traffic coming down McCullough there.
The tornado.
Okay, I'm on 60. I'm going to try to shut off everything coming in. It's a quarter mile north of the railroad tracks, a half mile west of Price Road.
Duty shut down 152.
Okay, it's kind of stationary right now at this time. It is moving to the northeast, mainly east. Not very fast. It's stationary right now.
152 shut out. Cabin turn off.
I hope all of you are under shelter at this time. It appears to be spinning.
Direction's going to be traveling more east. It's going to hit Pampa right in about between Alcoa and Gwendolyn.
Tornado. This is a tornado warning. Pampa, take cover. Take cover. Stay under cover until we give you a clear. Mike, are you listening at the station?
My fire department, Shamrock PD, Oak County.
They are undercover. We'll stay on the air as long
Yeah, go on.
as long as we can avoid a direct hit. I'm in the mobile unit. Reporting on
Good, 810.
We first
810, go ahead. How far west of town is that tornado that's on the ground?
The tornado warning.
I'm here on Highway 70, just back to McCullough. It's off 907 now on that. Go ahead. Now I'm going to try to shut this end of McCullough down if I can stay in here. It's starting backing up.
And eventually...
I've got this entire Hobart.
Right now, the base of the tornado
up there, stay on radio.
in size.
Before, I'll be right here.
It's been
Okay, it's going to be coming in.
difficult to
It's right there and looks like it's at 2 p.m. right now.
and stay out of its path. Now, I do not have information to know how, if this is indeed back into the city or not.
Give me an update.
It is still on the ground.
10-4. If it were to head directly north from its current location,
Only guess
it would
as to
be
the actual
approximately
Oh, it's something. I don't know whether to go to my house and try to get some of my stuff or not. Huh? I go to work now, right? God, it's big.
Engine 1, west on Highway 60, west on Highway 60, at 10:50, a car is turned upside down. I've been unable to notify the ambulance crew at this time. The sheriff's office has been notified. Be advised there is a...
Be careful, you're almost there.
Okay, it come across right now at the intersection of Alcock and Price Road. Alcock Price Road is going to be a little bit north. It's going into the city at this time.
10-4. We need all y'all to head this way. 448, 5404 on the west side of Miami, code 3 your way. Okay, just be careful. We got one just across Cross Road that's going into town right now. We got another one coming down. I can see it coming in.
Mandy is really like the 608